ISTQB Foundation Level, question 492. Impact analysis helps to decide A. How much regression testing should be done? B. Exit criteria. C. How many more bug reports needs to be written? D. Different tools to perform regression testing.
Take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to don't miss new ISTQB questions and answers that will help you guaranteed enhancing your skills. Join us on this learning journey. If you find value in that I do and my videos help you, then you have the option to donate through the links in the video description to I can release new videos on ISTQB questions on a regular basis.
Correct answer is A, according to ISTQB glossary. Impact analysis is used to determine the effect of changes in the software, including what parts of the system might be affected by the change, how much regression testing is necessary, which test cases need to be re-executed. Since regression testing ensures that changes do not introduce new defects, impact analysis helps in deciding the extent of regression testing needed. The primary purpose of impact analysis is to determine how much regression testing should be done. All the rest of the answers are wrong. Answer B is not correct, because exit criteria define when testing is complete, e.g. based on defect count, test coverage. But impact analysis is not used to determine exit criteria. Answer C is not correct, because impact analysis is not about counting or reporting defects, but rather about assessing risks from changes. Answer D is not correct, because impact analysis does not choose tools. It focuses on deciding which tests to run based on the impact of changes. My recommendation: please remember impact analysis and maintenance testing to pass STFL exam. Explanation. Finally, let's look at the ISTQB glossary definition. Impact analysis is the identification of all work products affected by a change, including an estimate of the resources needed to accomplish the change. This is consistent with the correct answer A. I think this question is not difficult for you if you watch my video channel for absolutely free, only for subscribe. You could move mountains to achieve your dream. Don't stop, never give up.